Hey guys, it's your boy, your boy. It's never gonna do a challenge. Try and drink a whole soda without burping. So let me go get some soda, and I'll be back and show you guys. I'll be back fast.
I just took a break, okay, and now it's back to work. God made a way, that's the only way it works. I won't walk this way till they put me in the dirt. No kingdom come as in heaven on this earth to me. It's not what occurred to me. Hell gon' burn like third degree. If you know your history, Jesus paid that price for me, and he took that curse from me. If you think that's perjury, well you better learn to read. Hey, me and my baby girl is on a court, call it double dutch. I've been walking with the Lord, can't be doing such and such. Wait, I took a minute, but now I'm back in it. If God isn't with me,
I think it actually spiked my back. Seriously. Let's try.
I just took a break,
Okay,
now it's
here we
back
go.
to work.
3, 2,
That's the only way it works. I won't walk this way till they put me in the dirt. They don't keep them come as in heaven on this earth, 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 as in heaven on this.
Too many perks to being a child of God. I can't drop one. It's too many songs, not about the crown. I can't drop one. If God pull the trigger, something gon' happen. It's
I don't think I'm halfway.
gotta get the full picture when it come to life. I can't drop nothing. Okay, gotta pay my dues. I know he gon' reimburse me. I can't have my love for God, Brody. You can search me. Horoscopes and dream catchers tell me, is it working? Some of y'all be too drunk off cloud. Don't be thirsty. Trying to break through like halfback. Don't need the lights, you can have that.
Oh, what do I do?
One other way, that's back to it. As I get bigger, I learn mine. Set the table and break it too many lines. Now I'm back to it like a nine.
I just took a break, okay.
I tried it.
Back to work.
It was really hard, but yeah. Well, that was pretty fun. But yeah. So if you haven't subscribed, smash subscribe and show some support for the channel. And I'm gonna post a video maybe this weekend or something like that. Probably something like that. So see you guys. Peace. Oh, and don't forget to smash that like button. And I still have the bottle left, so we can do another half of it. Okay, try again. Oh.
I'm having trouble playing Heaven on This Earth. Moving on.
Okay. I'm about to have a good day. No matter what they say. Sun is shining down on me. Birds are singing praise. I'm about to have a good day. In every single way. The God who made the universe knows me by my name, so it's a good day. Baby in my arms, walking through the neighborhood, living in the present. I woulda, shoulda, or coulda.
How many something cool here?
Back when I was low as a rug. I'm standing up, look at what my father does. Turning all things new, gray skies blue. Hear the church say, you
Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Smash that like button and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed the video. Peace.